Hello and welcome to Liferay Revisited. This is in continuation of the previous video where we looked into Service Builder and we have created one Service Builder project which was employee. Today we are going to look into the project structure and the errors which we are seeing as of now. We will try to deploy this particular Service Builder project and we'll see what all tables has been created as a part of this. So I'll just go on the right hand side and click on modules and then click on build over here and I'll just click on deploy. So now you'll see that it has started building up the project and there is our error which says that this particular package is missing. So it's not able to find out this class. And I already know what exactly is missing over here. So comp Liferay Petra SQL DSL API is the dependency that is missing. So what we'll go do is we'll go to our service project and in the build.gradle file of this particular project, we'll add this dependency. So I'll just go down over here and I'll just do this. So now if we see, we'll just save it and let the synchronization go ahead. And once the synchronization has been completed, we'll just go ahead and click on the deploy project. Let's remove this and let's go back to our Gradle and everything is done. Let's do the deployment. So if we see it has started deploy the dependencies, it has compile and compilation error are gone. So what it has done is all of these files it has deployed to this particular directory, which is inside our workspace. So if you see Liferay workspace, LR workspace is the workspace of Liferay, then inside bundle, OSGI, and then modules. So I'll just do Control E and click over here, and we'll see over here we have these services. So if you see over here, we should be having all of these files. Now what I'll do is I'll just copy these services and I'll move them to my Liferay and in the deploy folder. I'll just paste it out over here and let's go back and look at the console. So you will see what it has started to do is it has started processing these two jar files, which are our API and which are our services. So we'll see that it has started both of them. Now let's do one thing. We'll go back over here and we'll just type localhost 8080. And we will go to our control panel, and inside the control panel we will be having Gogo shell. What we'll do is just do an lb command. So what it is going to do is it is going to list out all of those portlets, modules, or OSGI services which are installed in this server. So you'll see there are two new services which are employee API and employee services. These are in active states, so that means our project is up and running. Now what we'll do is let's try to go into our SQL. I'll just open up my SQL and let's verify whether Liferay has created the table in MySQL or not. So if you see in my SQL, I'll just click on open, and we already know that our project name is lportal. I'll just click on the filter over here and I'll just type in employee and we'll see that our table has been created over here. So if we look at the structure of our table, that would be like a normal audit table of Liferay. We have UUID because we have clicked over there that UUID enabled, and then we have employee ID, we have user ID, username, create date, modified date. These are Liferay audit tables, audit columns. Now we have name of the employee, address of the employee, phone number, salary, email, date of joining, and date of leaving. If you see, like whatever we have defined over there, like if it was in a string, it has been converted into a varchar. If it was a long, it has been converted into a big int, and if it was date, then it has been converted into date time. So that's how what you can do is you can look into how Liferay uses service builder. So just for a quick recap, what we have is we have a module in Liferay, which is known as Service Builder. Service Builder is something which you can utilize to build your services. Your services means like something which you can use to interact with database. These things are available in Liferay's Service Builder project. Now you can define your entity over there. It can be multiple entities, it can be a single entity, or even it can be a dummy entity where you just need to create the API and service packages so that you can expose those. Rest of the things you don't need. You don't actually need an implementation of that. That is also possible in Liferay with the help of Service Builder. In the upcoming videos, what we are going to see is we are going to start looking into creating a project. And in that portlet, what we are going to have is like we will start creating the UI of Liferay and using the clay CSS or lexicon. Then we would be looking into utilizing these services that we have just created in Liferay. So that's all for today. Thanks a lot for tuning in. Bye bye.